Looking for some Easter brunch ideas? We've got you covered with 19 of the best breakfast and brunch recipes for Easter Sunday. When it comes to the classics, check out these Easter buttermilk hot cross buns. They're sweet and fluffy, filled with spices and dried fruits, and the traditional cross of icing tops off these delicious hot cross buns. Next up is Easter breakfast casserole. Casseroles are a family favorite because they're so easy. You can prep this recipe the night before with eggs, bacon, hash browns, and veggies, then pop it into the oven until the eggs are set, and you've got a breakfast casserole that's perfect for your Sunday brunch. Try this braided Easter egg bread for your Easter celebration. This decorative bread has whole eggs braided into it. Don't cook the whole eggs, as they will bake at the same time that the bread does. Plus, the eggs can be dyed for extra color if you want to be super festive. Check out these cute cinnamon roll bunnies. All you need is some refrigerated biscuit dough and a little creativity to shape these rolls into bunnies and decorate with icing and raisins. They're perfect for Easter brunch because they're so fun and easy. Coming up next is pull-apart Easter blossom bread. A rich, eggy dough is twisted into pretty flowers, then filled with jam in this decadent Easter bread. This beautiful and impressive holiday bread is sure to wow your friends and family as well as your taste buds. Our next recipe is Bird's Nest breakfast cups. They are delicious, easy to make, and can be customized to your own tastes. Mix together shredded hash brown potatoes, cheddar cheese, salt, pepper, and olive oil, and press into a muffin cup to form a little nest. Once they're browned, fill with your favorite mixture of eggs, bacon, cheese, and veggies. Next up is spinach ricotta quiche. This savory quiche is perfect for your Easter breakfast or brunch. It's light and fluffy with a creamy texture and bursting with delicious flavors. Baked eggs, spinach, and ricotta cheese are the perfect cozy combination. If you want to break out the air fryer, check out this air fryer breakfast frittata. Make this breakfast staple in your air fryer for a fun and easy twist on the classic frittata. Mix in your favorite meats and vegetables for a customizable Easter brunch. For a sweet and easy Easter brunch, look no further than this easy cinnamon roll casserole. Refrigerated cinnamon rolls are baked in a dish with nuts and maple syrup for a rich and decadent casserole. Garnish with powdered sugar and serve with additional maple syrup. For another casserole recipe, try this sausage hash brown breakfast casserole. This casserole is filling and delicious. Pork sausage, hash browns, cheese, and eggs are baked together to create a wonderful dish. Serve alongside seasonal fruit for a full and well-balanced meal to start your Easter. Next up is a classic Irish breakfast. You can face anything after this hearty breakfast of bacon and eggs with savory mushrooms and tomatoes, all fried in decadent butter. Slices of Irish soda bread are grilled in the skillet and served on the side. Our next recipe is bacon cheese frittata. This frittata is easy, cheesy, and full of bacon. It's the best breakfast, and you can save it for leftovers the next morning. So if you're looking for a quick recipe to get on the table for Easter brunch, this one is for you. Check out this breakfast sausage pot pie. Make a breakfast version of a classic comforting pot pie with sausage and vegetables. This cheesy pot pie with a flaky crust will be a breakfast or brunch hit. All you need is 15 minutes of prep, a little time in the oven, and your Easter brunch is on the table. Coming up next is Make Ahead breakfast bars. These savory breakfast or brunch snacks are made with hash browns, eggs, diced ham, cheddar Monterey Jack cheese, and some spices. As a bonus, they can be made ahead and reheated in the microwave if you're running out the door. For a fun brunch twist, try Dad's Breakfast Pizza. That's right, you can serve pizza at your Easter brunch with this quick and easy recipe that uses refrigerated biscuit dough as the pizza crust and eggs, bacon, and cheese as the toppings. You can customize with whatever flavors you like, and this breakfast pizza is sure to please. Next is this beautiful ham breakfast braid. Your friends and family will never guess that the presentation of this breakfast or brunch dish is so easy. Ham, eggs, and cheese are arranged in crescent roll dough that's braided on the top to create a pattern that will keep people talking. Swiss Sunday bread is our next Easter brunch recipe. This traditional breakfast bread is light and fluffy with a hint of sweetness, so it's the perfect bread for a spread of your favorite jam or jelly. Not to mention, the beautiful braided pattern is actually super easy. Try this baked strawberry French toast for a sweet Easter brunch dish. Fresh strawberries and cream bring a rich flavor to this easy oven strawberry French toast recipe. It bakes up so nicely it's almost like a bread pudding dessert. Serve with extra berries, whipped cream, and strawberry syrup. And finally, Country Sunday breakfast casserole. It's a one-dish casserole that's just as easy as it is delicious, so it's perfect for any kind of Easter celebration. With eggs, potatoes, green onion, breakfast sausage, this casserole is the best way to start your Easter Sunday. So there you have it. All the links to these recipes and more can be found in the description below, so check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.